Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, this is by far one of the videos I most look forward to filming. So it is the Sephora Vib Sale haul. And I must say I did not get much, inflation and prices, and yeah, I cannot. If you hear any background noise, something is going on outside my apartment. I don't know what's going on, but anyways, just disregard that. Now, I must admit, lately I've been shopping more at Ulta. Their point system is just a lot better. It's unmatched. And I've only really been shopping at Sephora when they do the VIB sales. And like when I see certain items go on a really good deal, then I'll pick it up. But overall, I've been doing most of my shopping at Ulta versus Sephora. And so when the sale came around, it was my opportunity to take advantage. I did not get too much, but I did get a little something. So I am wearing the majority of the products today. And I feel like it came out really pretty. Also, I'm not wearing a foundation. I'm wearing my Purely's BB cream. And I feel like it came out so pretty. Like, you still see a little bit of my imperfections, but it looks natural. It's as natural as, you can look with, eyes and lips like this. But anyways, I digress. Let me just place this down in front of me so I don't gotta hold it the whole time. Okay. And let's get comfortable. Now, for starters, I got this. This is the Natasha Denona Love Face palette, the Eye and Cheek Essentials. Now, I do have volume 1. This is volume 2, and I absolutely loved it. Again, it's more neutral tones in that one. This one is, more pinky tones. And it didn't have the best reviews, if I'm honest. And I feel like most of that had to do with, like, the blush they chose in this palette. So this is the outside. Again, very reflective. It's pink versus the gold packaging in the volume 1. Here are the colors. You got two cheek products and 5 eyeshadows. I do have all the eyeshadows on my face today. I could have definitely went darker and bolder, but I kind of like where I took it today. I do have the highlighter in this palette on my brow bone and my inner corners. Did not put it on the cheeks. I used something else for that. I feel like the blush shade I have not tried, but that's what I hear the most kind of like about. I'm gonna see if I can swatch it right now. That like it's not a flattering tone. And I feel like I can make it work, but it definitely is that like baby doll pink. I feel like I can use this as a base and put something else I like more on top of it. Like, it will get used because, hello, I paid for it. And this wasn't exactly cheap, but I love Natasha Denona's formula so much. And also, more often than not, her shimmers always contain talc. But when she does it in this format palette, like when I look at the ingredients, this shimmer shade does not contain any talc. So yeah, for me, I can actually use older products in here. And I feel like, you know what? Aside from the blush, that I feel like I know I can make it work, I do love everything else. So I feel like it was a win, all in all. Okay, let me wipe off the swatch. The next item I got, let's see if we can stick to face here, was this duo. Now, I have a blush from this brand already, from Tower 28, and I have a few of the glosses already. But whenever they do a kit like this, I always pick it up. Now, I own, like I said, one blush in this, so I'm happy to have another. And this is more of like a mauve kit. And it is what's on my lips right now. I did not use the blush today. I used a different blush, but I do have this as one of the items on my lips today, and I feel like it's really pretty. Let me see if I can swatch it here for you. And both of these items are full size, so I feel like it's a great value. Okay, let me swatch the blush. Oh, and the blushes. The gloss is in the shade Sesame. The blush is in the shade Office Hours. Again, I love their blushes. It's one of my favorites as far as like blushes go. And that's the blush. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then another item I have on my face is also from Tower 21. And that is their new Sculptino. And it's like a bronzer and contour hybrid. This is the box. The shade I got is the shade Getty. And that is what I'm wearing as my bronzer slash contour today. Very stunning. And if you are a similar complexion to mine, which is like more of a light medium skin tone, I think Getty will definitely be very suitable for you. So there's like a light swatch right there. Let me see if I can build that up a little bit more. There you go. Again, I feel like it blended beautifully, and I really love the color, so I'm excited to put that into more use, especially as summer is right around the corner. Now, the other item I have on my lips is by Too Faced, and this is the Lip Injection Extreme Lip Liner. Now, I will say, be warned, if you don't like the lip injection lip gloss, which I do not, I feel like it sets my lips on fire. It's too hot, spicy, pica. I'm not about that life. But my mother, however, does, and I'm a little bit disappointed, but hear me out. This does leave that pica, stinging feeling on your lip line, but it does wear away. And it's not as intense as the lip gloss. So I feel like for the first 20 minutes, I was kind of uncomfortable, but I stuck it out. And it's a really pretty color. I got the shade Hot and Spicy. It's very fitting, the name, because my lips did feel hot and spicy. But I will not be getting any more in this formula. I want to try the regular formula. There's a swatch. Because they do have a regular lip liner. It doesn't have that lip injection pica spicy feeling, but again, the feeling did wear away, so I don't feel it on my lips now, and I really do like it. I'm going to use it because I paid for it, and I do like the formula. I've been wearing this for a couple hours now, and it hasn't faded or anything or feathered out, or like, I really do like it. I don't know if I want to stay being uncomfortable for the first 20 minutes every time I use this. With that being said, I'm still gonna use it because even though I felt a little uncomfortable, A, it didn't last, and B, it wasn't as intense as the freaking lip gloss in that line. I cannot. I don't know how my mother does it. I feel like my lips are gonna fall off whenever I use the lip injection lip gloss. Okay, now one of the items I do have on my cheeks, which, you know, I kind of really used just a little bit and I really buffed it out, was the Rare Beauty, what is it called? Soft Pinch Blush. Now, I do own like 3 of her liquid blushes, but they're all in like little minis, and again, very little goes a long way. But I'm happy to finally own a full size, and it's of course in the shade I don't have. This is part of one of 2 of the new shades she came out with. So this is in the shade Worth, and it's limited edition, so I don't think they're gonna keep these shades around. But it is so pretty, and I feel like it's a very wearable everyday color. Like, again, I could have gone way more out there and punchy with this, but I used just the smallest amount, and it gave me a nice little subtle flush to the cheeks, and I love it. Again, you can always add more, but I just feel like it's so pretty. Like, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this summer. Cannot wait. I did want to pick up her new lip oil lip tints, but because it's brand new, everybody wants to get their hands on it, so it's always sold out. And especially the shades I wanted to pick up were sold out, and then eventually the entire line of shades were sold out, so I didn't get to pick that up, but you know, I had that, so I'm happy. Another item I picked up from Rare Beauty is the Positive Light, what is this, illuminator touch. Okay, huh. I'm reading in a different language. How nice. It is a Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. Oh, I feel like a dum-dum. I don't know what language that's in. Probably French, but yeah, the English is on this side. Anyway, the shade I got is Exhilarate. And I feel like the packaging is so pretty. This is the highlighter I'm rocking on my cheeks today. Do you see that glow? Let's give it a minute. Look at my nose. Oh, this is very much like bringing back the 2016 highlight craze that I feel like, you know, everybody is into like the subtle highlight now. Like, it's not really much the trend to have a blinding highlight. It's more the trend to have like a big out there punchy blush. But let me be honest, I never stopped. I love my blinding highlighters, and you cannot pry from my cold dead hands. I just love highlighting, and it is what it is, and I don't care if it's not on trend to be blinding anymore, but I will forever love to be a disco ball in the best way possible, of course. But look at how, oh, I don't want, like, I think my ring light is washing it out, but it is so pretty. And this is more of like the champagne color. There's two other colors. One is more of a rosy tone, the other one is more like a deep goldenish, you know, for deeper skin tones. But I love this. I'm really debating on whether or not I want to pick up like the rosy tone of that, but you know, it's a want, it's not a need. Let's be fair, I don't need any of this, but I don't need it right now. I don't desire to have it right this moment because I already have one, so I'll just enjoy that one. Okay, so I feel like that is my last makeup item. Now, it wouldn't be me if I didn't pick up any fragrances for the sale, so of course I had to. So I picked up the 1 fluid ounce of the Marc Jacobs Daisy Ever So Fresh. And the big selling point in this was the fact that it had like a mango note in it. So this is the bottle. Look at how cute. And I feel like this is gonna go great with my Mango Squad like shower stuff. And so like the opening notes, you definitely get that fruity mango scent, and it's just like I love it. And I mean, I don't know what was like most often than not, I tend to really love Marc Jacobs fragrances, so I didn't think this would disappoint. But this just smells so nice and fruity. Oh, I love it. This for the summer, yeah, it's gonna be all over me. And the next one I picked up was the Jimmy Choo I Want You. And the big selling point in me wanting to pick this up was the fact that it had a peach note. So the size I picked up was the 1.3 fluid ounce. This cute little bottle right here. It doesn't have a cap. The sprayer is actually built in. And like I said, the selling point was like the peach note. No, I do get some of the peach, but it's like, this doesn't remind me of like that fruity, juicy peach. This is like grown and sexy type peach. I'm just, and it definitely smells potent. Like, you will definitely not have to overspray with this. And as it's drying down, it's just, it's getting more and more of that like that grown and sexy, and but not overdone. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna be too much in the summer heat. Let me smell this again. Yes, I just both winners. Cannot wait. And that's pretty much it. I didn't get too much, but I did spend, you know, a pretty penny. I feel like every time I pay my Sephora credit card, it just goes back up again. I need better self-discipline. Yeah, I know you're judging me, but fuck it, whatever, it's my money. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy what I have, as I normally always do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please comment, like, subscribe, share, you know, all that good stuff. And I'm debating on doing another body care video. I don't know what yet. I think I might do like my full body care collection type thing, which will consist of like body washes, lotions, body sprays, I'm missing something. Oh, and body scrubs. And then I'll do a separate video of like my little perfume collection. It's not all that big, but it's getting out there. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye.